The master's back in the dojo. I've been palming the pack for the low. My whole karma's back in the ozone. Got my head in the clouds. I can be dead if I'm proud.
Hey, what's going on, y'all? How's it going? It's your boy Broadway J, the host of Kicks and Beats, the channel. The channel that gives back to the hood, so you know what's good. If you're brand new to this, hit subscribe, hit like, and hit the bell notification. Why? Because we get back to the hood on the first of every month, so you never know when it's going to be your time. So you're going to want to stay tuned with those bell notifications so you can know when the time has come. Anyways, we've been gone for about 2.5 weeks now because there's been a whole lot going on. As you can see, we've actually relocated. This is a brand new apartment, so yeah, that's basically what's been going on, y'all. Sorry for the whole delay that's been going on with the channel, but we are back and we got another early review for y'all today. We're going to be unboxing is the Yeezy 700 V1 Bright Blue. I've been anticipating for this one because boy do these colors look vibrant. Kind of reminds me of the New York Knicks and the Mets in a way, even though the orange is slightly different, but you get what I'm saying. Let's go take a look. Shout out to StockX for this one, and shout out for DHL. You guys are pretty quick with stuff, even though, but it's all good because I don't think the actual box itself got damaged, so it's all good. But anyways, when it comes to this shoe, guys, you go half a size up. Do not go true to size. I usually tell people never to go true to size with any Yeezy because you just shouldn't. But anyways, give you the details right quick. Y'all see that? Alright, let's go take a look at these. Just as expected, these are 5 straight flames. Boy, what? Pop that tag real quick. Boom. If you want to get a scanning. Yeah, oof. I'm gonna have fun with these, man. I'll show you some details right quick. I'm gonna take the insole out real quick if I can get to it. Take a look at that. Matches with this blue right here. This shoe does feature 3M, guys. You will see it displayed over here. I believe this portion as well. Of course, in front of the tongue. But when I give you that up close on feet, you're gonna see it for yourself. This right here, this black portion of the shoe is suede. This is a nice suede in the front here. It feels a little rough, but this is nice. This is suede over here. You got leather over here. I don't know if this leather is synthetic or not. If you guys could let me know in the comment section below, I'd greatly appreciate it. Just real interested in knowing. A whole lot of mesh going on here. The inside of the shoe. This shoe does contain Boost. For those that do not know, Boost is very, very comfortable. Highly recommend you get yourself a pair of shoes that comes with Boost, such as these. Now, just to let you guys know, this will release this Saturday, April 24th. It's going to retail at $240 USD. And yeah, you're going to want to go for them. Try the Adidas Confirmed app and try the actual Adidas app itself. They may have an extra opportunity there where you can select the store to pick up at if you win. I know that just happened to me recently with this pair right here. Hopefully I got to win another one. If not, it's all good. Almost forgot to mention that I think there's 3M here inside too. The 3 stripes that are inside of this, I believe that's 3M as well. Like I said, we'll see on the on feet later. Give you another detailed look. And of course, this comes with the famous blue and green that came originally with the Wave Runners. For those who don't know, Wave Runners is a colorway for this silhouette. Very famous colorway. It's mainly gray, but it came with that blue and green, and everybody just straight up went crazy with those. The next colorway to feature this blue and green happened to be the Sun, and now this. And I believe we have another colorway coming out soon. That's going to feature the blue portion and not the green. If I can find the picture, I'll post it right up here so you can have a quick look. I don't think I'll be going for those because I prefer the Suns. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Is it a cop or drop? No lie though, these guys are really overdoing it when it comes to the orange midsoles. Like, come on, we got like, what, 4 models at this point? Guys, let me know if this comes with your pair when you receive it, but you know how we always get this paper with our Yeezy products? I found a secondary sheet in here. Let me know what's up with this, guys, because I got this through StockX. Want to make sure they ain't play, brother. Let's see. Okay. Got your tags right here. guys could have a look at the tags right quick. Pause where you need to pause. Unpause where you need to unpause. Let's see. StockX sticker. You guys don't give us receipts anymore? Like, what's going on here? And they didn't even give me a receipt. Never mind, guys. I found this in the floor shortly after I finished all these recordings. But yeah, I'm pretty sure resale will be higher than this one day. Well, anyways, you guys know what time it is. It's time for that feet, that close-up. Let's get to it. Well, guys, this is the end of the review. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and stay tuned because we have another early look coming up soon, and the giveaway in just a few days. We're going to be selecting our May 1st giveaway winner, so stay tuned for that notification bell. Make sure you got it on. It's your boy Broadway J, and I'm out. Peace, y'all.